We begin tonight with a Benton County woman on trial for first-degree murder. She took the stand in her own defense today.
That is Samantha Bevans. She's the woman accused of killing her stepmother, Jodi Bevans, back in 2022. KWW reporter Daniel Perot joins us live in a newsroom with what she told the courtroom and the jurors today and how prosecutors then pushed back. Daniel.
It was an emotional day inside that Benton County courtroom as Samantha Bevans took the stand. She was one of two witnesses called by defense lawyers today. Bevans says that Dakota Talley was the killer and the one who suffocated Jodi Bevans. Samantha told the jury that she had no desire to harm Jodi. She described Talley as an abusive boyfriend. As Dakota was strangling Jodi, Samantha said she walked into the room and at one point grabbed a pillow to, in her words, end the suffering. But she said she could not bring herself to press down on it with any force. Samantha was asked about the Snapchat video found on her phone by investigators where she essentially confesses to the murder with her boyfriend Dakota. Here's why she says she saved that video to her Snapchat account's memories.
I save things because I'm always believing that what Dakota is saying to me isn't really real. So I have to literally make notes of it. I have to take videos. I have to make voice recordings. Because when something happens and I go back to Dakota for clarification, the story is never that anymore. It's completely twisted up.
On cross-examination, prosecutors really zeroed in on that video. She said that she was trying to get Dakota to tell the truth. In the video, Dakota is calm, which Samantha said made her feel like she was going crazy, since usually when she filmed him like that, he would try and take the phone from her.
Even though you made the video, do you believe that you caused Jodi's death?
No.
Why?
Because I did not kill her. She was still breathing both times she came out, when I came out of that room. I couldn't even stay in there with her when she was dying. I was too scared. I couldn't do it. I couldn't stop him. I couldn't help Jodi. I was just frozen. I was scared and I was going off of what I thought was best in that moment.
At the end of the day, prosecutors brought back Agent Holly Witt from the Iowa Division of Criminal Investigations as a rebuttal witness. She said the version of events that Samantha told her about the pillow during an interview was different from what she told the jury today. Using a paper towel as a fill-in, Witt said that she asked Bevans to demonstrate how they used the pillow. Bevans then stood up on the table and grinded her foot down into the paper towels. Both the prosecution and the defense brought up experts to talk about the cognitive and behavioral impact of domestic violence. Court set to start up at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. We expect the judge will review the jury instructions, lawyers will give their closing arguments, and then the jury will get the case. Ron, Elizabeth.
All right, Samantha Bevans could face, if convicted, life in prison without the possibility of parole in our state of Iowa.
And Dakota Talley was convicted of first-degree murder in the case last year and sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole.